Now that we've done a single mailbox type of import, let's go ahead and actually do a multiple files type of import, which we would want to. And an example of that, again, is that loose files, that loose documents that I showed you, where if I click in here, I can see in client A, this is just like a bunch of scattered documents, Word documents, Excels. I go to client B and I can see more Word documents and then a few more other Excels, a CSV. And so if I wanted to keep these organized by client A and client B, I could go ahead and import these individually. But if it doesn't matter to me and I could go ahead and sort them based on their file path later on, I can go ahead and import from the parent folder all at once, which is what I'm going to do. So I'm going to go to loose docs, hit import. And again, it skips over step 1, takes straight to step 2 and says that this is a multiple files type of import based on what we have seen in there. And at this point, again, you got database ID, where this is coming from, loose docs. I'm going to go ahead and name my batch, loose docs. So this will be batch 282, loose docs. In this case, I don't know that these have all come from a single custodian. If I do know that, I can certainly assign it. If I don't, I'm going to leave it blank. And then here, search folders, I can either create a new folder, or if I have another one for loose documents for folders A and B, I can go ahead and assign this to it. Deduplication is turned on and deNIST detection is turned on. For those who are wondering what deNIST detection stands for, click on this little eye icon and it'll tell you that this is a list that was put together by the National Institute of Standards and Technology, which is where the NIST comes from, that says these file types are not important. And so it will remove those upon import. And so at this point, kind of fly through this once you are accustomed to what this looks like and how you're going to set it up. You can go ahead and hit import. And then it takes you here and you are done with that import. Well, it still has to run. It's in a queued status right now, but when I go back to imports, we can see that this has finished running 1,618 documents. And this one is working its way through.